Hi friends, I am Tilak and you're watching Tech Made Me Unique. So in this video, I just going to show how to use the Paint Format tool. So for an example, this is called formatting the text formatting tool. You can, for an example, I just need every sentence, every paragraph, every line, and in the paragraph should be on this format. So just click here, then go here, click on the paint format option and just paint the paragraph that you want as that color and just leave it. You can see, it has been formatted. You first of all, you just want to clearly, you just want to understand, if you want this format of option like a black color in bold, just need everything should be changed to this format. First you just want to click here, then select the paint format tool, then select the paragraph or lines that you want to have the same option. You can see that everything has been changed to the same format. If I need this format to apply for this format, so I just click here, then I just select the paint formatting option and just painting here, so it's changed to this format. So this is called paint formatting option. This is the clear idea about the paint formatting option. I think you have been understand. If you don't understand from this video, you just comment below. I will make a perfect video with a long time format. And if you want more videos about Google Docs, just follow this channel and don't forget to click on subscribe button below. Share this video with your friends and we will meet on next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.